In modern manufacturing, surface protection is not just important, it's critical. Introducing electrophoretic coating equipment, engineered for precision, efficiency, and durability. This system works on the principle of electrodeposition, where charged paint particles are uniformly deposited onto conductive surfaces using an electric current. The result? A highly uniform coating thickness, even on complex geometries, internal cavities, and sharp edges, something conventional coating methods struggle to achieve. With automated controls, stable voltage regulation, and optimized bath chemistry, the system ensures consistent performance and minimal material wastage. The coating provides excellent corrosion resistance, making it ideal for automotive components, industrial parts, and heavy duty applications. Designed with sustainability in mind, the aqueous based process reduces VOC emissions, making it an eco friendly and compliant solution. High efficiency, superior protection, advanced coating technology, electrophoretic coating equipment, built for the future of surface engineering. Call now 9810065675. Visit to www.thoroughclean.com.